Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Christmas coffin nail art design step by step guide. Let's move to step number 1 and design number 1. Number 1 is silver of silver. There are million ways to do a coffin Christmas these days, but none feel unique quite so festive as silver tips. We love how nail art and jewelry designer Bettina Goldstein makes this manicure feel simultaneously simple yet dazzling by keeping the base clear and the tips teeny tiny, yet they are glamorous, shiny silver. Number 2 design is retro ornaments. Old fashioned ornaments add charm to any Christmas tree and even more appeal to a manicure nail artist. Savannah Walker painted a different classic ornamented on each nail in variety of shapes and colors: yellow, orange, red, pink, and blue, all of which stand out against the chrome like green base that gives this nail art even more holiday spirit. Next design is sealed in sequins. Nothing says Christmas time claim quite like red lips and red nails. Take the letter to the next level with some creativity in case sparkle. Nail artists are and nails coated extra large sequin skew pieces of glitter in Madame Clam sock of gel polish in the dramatic Christmas shade very chic. It takes the concept of a glitzy holiday manicure and makes it more subtle but just as joyous. Next design is wipes of white and blue. Take the prettiest Hanukkah wrapping paper you have ever seen and turn it into nails. And that's what you get with this gorgeous manicure. Atop a pretty biggie base are waves of white tips, light and dark blue, and silver following down from a square of tips. The freestyle design looks just a beautiful in any combination of traditional holiday colors. Try it with a clear base of an even modern vibe. Hopefully you like today's my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.